Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna showcase my LinkedIn connection bot, which is. Let's open the extracted folder. This is the extracted folder. Oops, runme.py. Okay, jan@gmail.com. You have to enter your password, not mine. Mine password is. Now you have to enter the fields you want to make connections with. So now starting the automation. So now just sit back and relax and see what happens. You can see the data sets, and the data set consists of all the connections the bot has sent request for the web. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna showcase my LinkedIn connection bot, which is hosted on GitHub. So the very first step to use the bot is to download it as a zip file. Now going in download folder, I'm extracting it here, but you can extract it anywhere. Let's open the extracted folder. This is the extracted folder. Opening terminal. Very first time users, if you don't know whether you have installed Python or not, you can type python -version and it will tell you your Python version. In my case, it is Python 3.9.5. That is really great. So let's install Selenium, which is a required library to use the bot. Pip install Selenium. Okay, so requirement already satisfied. As you can see, Selenium is already installed in my machine. So for the next step, you have to run runme.py, which is over here. So python runme.py. Okay, now the GUI comes. You have to enter your username first. Mine is prabaljan@gmail.com. You have to enter your password, not mine. Mine password is this. Fields. So now you have to enter the fields you want to make connections with. So let's take for an instance TCS, and one more is Byju's. Okay, so for how many pages you want to automate? For the very first time, I'll take one. Okay, now starting the automation. So now just sit back and relax and see what happens. It will search TCS first, as I think. Okay, searching for TCS. It will make connection with Shivani Mall. Make connection with Shivani Mall. Okay, making connection with Shivani Mall. Sending request. It is sending request. Works fine. Okay. The second person is Anurag. Okay, so after a very long fast forward, as you can see, the bot has sent requests to so many people, and it gives a kind of log over in the terminal. A total of 10 connections found on page 1 for TCS, and this is the name of the first request. This is the name of second: Jitendra Rao, Yashika Kulkarni, Kapil Sharma, and all. So it is maybe Shubham Jain is the last one, and after this we will see something good. Okay, after all of this, you can just quit the GUI application. Now the fun part is, in the output folder you can see the data sets, and the data set consists of all the connections the bot has sent request. For the very first session we have done. Now the good part is sorry. Now the good part is, in the output folder you can see a CSV file called dataset, which contains the information of all the users the bot has sent request to, his or her name, description 2, and link to profile. I think that's pretty good. So now one thing to mention, I've also hosted a LinkedIn messaging bot. Just a sec. Now now just after the LinkedIn connection bot, I've also hosted a LinkedIn messaging bot. So I will be uploading a video for this also. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Shri Ram.